Guess where you're going today?
The beach.
We're going to the beach. We got dropped off here at the station in Portugal, in Cascais. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Look. Look at, oh baby, look at that. Oh baby, look at. Right here, take a picture. We're in Cascais, Portugal. Funny. You buy whatever you want. You buy whatever you want. How's the sand feel?
It's soft.
It's soft and fluffy, eh?
Fluffy sand.
Okay, what's this?
This is a city.
Building a city.
I'm gonna make one last thing. It's one of those. Like there's a seat, there's a shade.
You're gonna build the seats. There's a pool over here. You got
There?
you got your pool.
Wait, I'm gonna get some wet sand.
A lot of these boutique bars, pubs, eateries here in Cascais. I love this place. This place is incredibly fairy tale, imaginary, Magic Kingdom type of feel to it. Especially if you're into architecture like this. It is absolutely a blessing to the eyes. Now, before you guys ask me about real estate pricing in this area, it is one of the most expensive places in Portugal to live. This is considered the Beverly Hills of Portugal. The city here, Cascais. It's really nice. Marble streets, marble floors, beautiful cobble. Absolutely gorgeous venues here, but again, it's more of the elite side of Portugal. Unless you're a wealthy expat on a massive pension. It is the second week of October in 2025. It is absolutely gorgeous here. It's breathtaking. It's just absolutely gorgeous. So there's a lot of the art here. Here, they don't call it graffiti. They call it a form of art or expression here. To me, I guess if being from Canada and visiting the United States, this would, I guess, would be seen as graffiti. But a lot of construction here. It looks like a low 6-story condo being built here. And you could be sure that it's being done right because it's being done in Portugal. You know that the construction work here isn't shoddy at all. These used to be homes here, like complete family homes, single family dwellings back in the day. Aristocrats and people of royalty would have their homes here by the beach. Now a lot of them have been converted into restaurants and hotels, and these places are really cool. You can buy little shirts and souvenirs and drinks or whatever you need. I wasn't kidding with you guys when I told you that this was pretty much the Beverly Hills of Portugal. Really nice here, really clean, very organized, and you got your typical church on every second corner. You got your church. And this textiling you see all over the country. Pretty cool. All right, guys, we have an 18-euro haul here. We're at the local McDonald's eating. So we got two Big Mac combos, one McChicken combo with fries and drinks, and this bucket of chicken. This is not taters. These are actual chicken tenders and chicken wings. Right? It was 18 euro whole. 18 euros for three. And the meats taste like meat. The food actually tastes like actual food. And my daughter could attest to that. She's having her first Big Mac for the first time ever. And she is pretty excited here. So this is a 18 euro haul of food. Let me know what it would cost in your area with the conversion. 2 Big Mac meals and 1 McChicken meal and a box of chicken. Mike Martin's here in Cascais, Portugal. I have spoken. So the water reaches up into here, into this cove. That is super cool. And when the tide rolls in,
This one gets higher.
yeah, comes up to here, yeah. It reaches up to here.